glistens on crimson steel. Another hunt, another prayer. Broken bodies line the road, silent eyes still linger there. Every cut I count as mine, every scar a debt unpaid. Not for long. Every breath another vow. Hold the darkness, hold it now. My hands are stained with monsters' blood. Our blood. Every wound cuts deeper still. Open wider. I won't become what hunts the night, or feed the wolf within. The healing flame now burns my hands. Ashes fall like winter rain. Every heartbeat echoes loud, a hunter's oath, a growing chain. I search the dark for one more beast, yet fear the eyes I'll see are mine. You know the line. Every breath another vow. Hold the darkness, hold it now. My hands are stained with monsters' blood. Our blood. Every wound cuts deeper still. Open wider. I won't become what hunts the night, or feed the wolf within. If I should fall before the dawn, will they remember who I was, or just the beast with crimson jaws that wore my face and spoke my name? I am your rage, your will to live, the price of every hunt. Then I'll die before I kneel, the wolf within.